If your kitchen feels cluttered, crowded, and hard to manage, the problem usually isn't the space, it's how that space is being used. And once you fix that, everything starts to feel easier. In this video, we're going through some of the smartest kitchen organization finds on Amazon that help you maximize storage, reduce clutter, and keep everything within reach. These are simple upgrades, but they make a real difference in your daily routine. And if anything catches your eye, all the links are right there in the description. Kicking things off with something that instantly upgrades your cabinet space, this pull-out spice rack makes organizing your spices way more efficient. Instead of digging through cluttered shelves or losing bottles in the back, everything slides out smoothly so you can see and grab exactly what you need. It keeps your spices neatly arranged, saves time while cooking, and makes your cabinet feel way more organized. If your spice area feels messy or hard to manage, this is a simple but powerful fix. Most options usually fall around the $20 to $35 range. Right after that, this undersink organizer is one of those upgrades that completely transforms wasted space. That area usually turns into a cluttered mess with cleaning supplies and random items, but this sliding drawer system creates layers of organized storage. You can easily pull it out to access everything without reaching into the back or knocking things over. It makes cleaning supplies, bottles, and essentials much easier to manage while maximizing every inch of space. If your undersink area feels chaotic, this is a game changer. Most options range between $25 to $45. Moving along, this over-the-door pantry organizer is perfect if you're running out of shelf space. It instantly adds multiple layers of storage without taking up any extra room, making it ideal for small kitchens or apartments. You can store spices, snacks, bottles, and even larger items depending on how you adjust the baskets. It keeps everything visible, easy to access, and way more organized compared to crowded shelves. If your pantry feels packed or hard to navigate, this setup makes a huge difference. Most options usually fall between $30 to $60. Now this one is a smart upgrade for your countertop space. This expandable microwave stand creates an extra layer of storage right above your microwave, which is usually wasted space. You can use it to store spices, jars, utensils, or small appliances while keeping your counter clean and organized. The adjustable width also means it fits different setups easily. It's one of those simple additions that makes your kitchen feel more structured and less crowded. If your counters feel packed, this helps instantly. Most options are typically around $25 to $50. Here's another smart solution for organizing cluttered areas. These stackable storage drawers are perfect for cabinets, countertops, or even your pantry. Instead of everything being piled together, these create separate sections so you can easily see and access what you need. They're especially useful for snacks, packets, small kitchen tools, or random items that usually get lost in the back. The stackable design also helps you maximize vertical space without making things messy. If your storage feels unorganized, this is a simple fix. Most options range between $20 to $40. Sliding right into something that makes your drawers look instantly cleaner, this bamboo storage bag organizer is a huge upgrade for messy wrap boxes and plastic bags. Instead of bulky packaging taking up space, everything fits neatly inside labeled compartments with built-in cutters for easy access. It keeps foil, plastic wrap, and storage bags organized in one place while saving drawer space and reducing clutter. If your kitchen drawers feel chaotic or overfilled, this creates a clean, minimal setup. Most options usually fall around the $25 to $45 range. Right after that, this expandable silverware organizer brings structure to one of the most used drawers in your kitchen. Instead of utensils getting mixed together, this creates clean sections for forks, spoons, knives, and other tools so everything stays in place. The adjustable design lets it fit different drawer sizes, which makes it super practical for any setup. It also makes grabbing what you need faster and keeps things looking organized every day. If your utensil drawer feels messy, this fixes it instantly. Most options range between $20 to $35. Now this one is a clever solution for deep cabinets or pantry shelves. This 360-degree rotating organizer makes it easy to access items that usually get lost in the back. Instead of reaching in blindly or moving everything around, you can simply spin it and grab what you need. It's perfect for cans, jars, sauces, or even snacks, keeping everything visible and within reach. If your pantry feels cluttered or hard to manage, this makes a big difference. Most options typically fall between $20 to $40. Here's a smart way to free up counter and cabinet space at the same time. This magnetic spice rack attaches directly to your fridge or any metal surface, instantly creating a dedicated area for your spices. It comes with jars and labels, which helps you keep everything organized and easy to find while cooking. It also adds a clean, aesthetic look to your kitchen setup without taking up extra space. If your spice storage feels crowded, this is a great alternative. Most full sets range around $30 to $60. Moving forward, these stackable cabinet shelves are one of the easiest ways to double your storage space instantly. Instead of stacking items on top of each other, these create separate levels so everything stays visible and easy to access. You can use them for plates, cups, jars, or pantry items without making your cabinets feel cramped. They're simple, effective, and work in almost any kitchen setup. If your shelves feel overcrowded or hard to organize, this is a quick upgrade. Most options usually fall between $20 to $40. If you're finding these useful so far, you'll find all the product links right there in the description so you can check them out easily. Let's take a look at something you'll use every single day. This two-tier dish drying rack helps you organize your dishes while saving valuable counter space. Instead of everything spreading out, the vertical design creates separate levels for plates, bowls, and cups, while the bottom area can handle utensils or extra items. It keeps your kitchen looking cleaner and more structured, especially after washing dishes. If your countertop feels crowded or messy, this makes a noticeable difference. Most options usually fall between $30 to $60. Now this one is all about flexible storage. This 5-tier rolling cart gives you extra space wherever you need it, whether it's your kitchen, pantry, or even a corner that's not being used properly. The pull-out baskets make it easy to organize fruits, vegetables, snacks, or kitchen essentials, while the wheels let you move it around effortlessly. It's perfect for small spaces where every inch matters. If you need more storage without installing anything permanent, this is a great solution. Most options range between $30 to $70. Here's a small upgrade that actually makes a big difference in daily use. This sink caddy keeps your sponge, scrubber, and dish soap organized in one place instead of scattered around the sink area. It also allows proper drainage, which helps everything dry faster and stay cleaner. That means less mess and less buildup over time. It's a simple way to keep your sink area looking neat without much effort. If your sink space feels cluttered, this fixes it instantly. Most options usually fall between $10 to $20. Sliding into something that frees up both space and clutter, this magnetic knife holder lets you store your knives directly on the wall instead of inside bulky blocks. It keeps your knives easily accessible while also making your countertop look cleaner and more open. Many versions also come with hooks, so you can hang utensils or small tools as well. It's a great mix of functionality and minimal design. If your counter feels crowded, this is a smart upgrade. Most options usually range between $15 to $35. Now this is one of those clever space-saving tools that makes your sink area way more functional. This roll-up drying rack sits right over your sink, giving you a place to dry dishes, rinse fruits, or even rest hot cookware. When you're done, you can simply roll it up and store it away, freeing up your space instantly. It's flexible, easy to use, and perfect for smaller kitchens with limited counter space. If you need something versatile, this is a great pick. Most options usually fall between $10 to $25. Moving into something that fixes one of the most annoying kitchen problems, this pot lid organizer keeps your lids neatly arranged instead of stacked and falling over. You can mount it on a cabinet door or inside a cupboard, which helps free up shelf space while keeping everything easy to grab. It also prevents scratches and damage from lids rubbing against each other. If your cabinets feel cluttered or hard to manage, this brings instant organization. Most options usually fall around the $15 to $30 range. Right after that, this pots and pans organizer takes your cabinet storage to the next level. Instead of stacking heavy cookware on top of each other, this setup uses adjustable dividers to keep everything separated and easy to access. You can store pans, lids, and trays vertically, which saves space and prevents scratches. It also makes cooking more convenient since you can grab what you need without moving everything around. If your cabinets feel overloaded, this is a major upgrade. Most options range between $25 to $50. Now here's a classic but still very useful organizer. This spice carousel keeps your most used spices in one compact rotating setup so everything is easy to reach. Instead of searching through cabinets, you can simply spin it and find what you need instantly. It's especially helpful for countertops where you want quick access while cooking. It also adds a clean, organized look to your kitchen space. If you cook often, this makes things much more convenient. Most options usually fall between $20 to $40. Here's something that improves both cooking control and convenience. This 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser lets you either spray or pour oil depending on what you need, which helps reduce excess usage while cooking. It's great for air frying, grilling, or everyday cooking where you want better portion control. The clear bottle design also lets you see exactly how much you're using. If you're trying to cook cleaner and more efficiently, this is a smart addition. Most options usually range between $10 to $20. Finally, this 9-in-1 storage bag organizer is perfect for bringing order to messy kitchen drawers. Instead of different boxes taking up space, this combines multiple compartments into one clean system for storage bags, wraps, and other essentials. It helps you keep everything sorted, easy to access, and visually organized. It's especially useful if you like a clean, minimal drawer setup without clutter. If your drawers feel overcrowded, this ties everything together nicely. Most options usually fall between $25 to $50. So those were some of the smartest kitchen organization finds that can completely transform how your space looks and works. Even a few of these can make your kitchen feel cleaner, more functional, and easier to use every day. If you saw something you liked, all the links are right there in the description. And if you want more smart finds like these, make sure to stick around for the next one.